you can see a very beautiful, cozy mirror. There are a lot of you can see all shelves where you can keep. Hello, my name is Larissa and I want to represent you the renovation in this modern, convenient and nice flat. Let's look and let's begin. In this apartment was made full renovation, and let's look all the materials, furniture and the interior. This flat was divided for 2 zones. The one of these is bedroom. I think it's very beautiful and very cozy. The next is kitchen and dining room. And we can see a zone of hall. Let's begin with kitchen. I think it is the favorite place for all women. And now please, you can see there are a lot of cupboards, and in these cupboards you can keep all the things. Let's look. Wow, it's a lot of shelves, this and this. I can see cooker, I can see a sink, but you will ask me, where is the fridge? Let's find it. But you can see, maybe this. Oh, there you can see not big but not small fridge. At the top of the fridge you can see space. It is a shelf for microwave oven, and soon it will be there. The next shelf, it is a place for anything. I think that it is maybe a pot and the dishes. And now let's go to the next zone. It is a bathroom. I think it is very comfortable. It's so hot. It's very comfortable and it's very beautiful place. It is cozy and soft. Opposite the bed, you can see a TV set, and you can watch TV from the bed and maybe from the sofa. Sofa is a zone of dining room. You can sit there and invite your guests. Подожди, не сообразила. In this flat, you can see a very nice advantage. You can turn off the light in all the flat only with one button. For example, it is switch master. Let's look. It's working. Switch master. There are 2 big and cozy wardrobes in this flat, and there is a lot of places where you can keep anything you like, and I think it is very comfortable if you live in this flat during all the time. And of course, for girls and women, you can see a very beautiful, cozy mirror. You can look here. The next. Let's go to the bathroom, and don't forget, but in this flat there is one advantage. When you will go to your bathroom, the light switch on. But if you need more light, нет, снова. Подожди. But if you need brighter light, you will switch on this button. It's so like And let's look a shower. It's cozy, it's beautiful, and I think nice shower. I think there is a lot of space, maybe for 2 people and maybe for 3 people, and where you can
very much.
And I think for girls it will be nice that you can see there in the shower, because opposite the shower is a big mirror. All the girls like mirrors. And all say that there is a fashionable function. Какая-то функция, подождите. There is a modern solution in this bathroom. You can see a modern electric towel dryer. You can turn off this, and you can choose hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 6 hours. It's very comfortable and modern, I think. Ventilation, turn on and turn off in the bathroom. Here. And you will ask me, where is the washing machine? And I will answer, it is in this big, comfortable and cozy wardrobe. I think it's very, very, very nice. And there is underfloor heating in all this beautiful, comfortable and nice flat. The most exciting advantage in all the flats in Batumi is a beautiful view. You can see all Batumi and of course Black Sea. So nice, so exciting, and so beautiful. Welcome to Batumi. If you want to know more about realty and renovation in Batumi, please ask us or write us. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Goodbye. See you.